guys, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to be making another ATC card using these Dollar Tree game cards. They come in a box like this, and this one is the memory game, so we're just going to grab some little cherries here, and let's go ahead and get started. I've got a piece of paper that I created, and this paper is on my Etsy shop if you are in need of printing out your own paper to use. But we're just going to get started, and I use what I have because I have a traveling craft area right now. So I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to put this just like that. And then I put this paper here so you can see. We'll just cut right around this. And that takes that back of that card and leaves a nice blank canvas. So we're going to just cut this around. And the same here. So there we go. And I already know I'm going to use some green around here. So we're going to just go ahead and outline this with green right now rather than doing it later, because I always try and do it later. All right. Then I want to add a little bit of flex. So I'm just going to flex that like that. We are good. I'm going to take this guy, and this gives me a nice jig-jag edge. I'm going to flip this guy over. And get rid of some of that extra. So I'm just going to do a couple just like that. And I'm going to bring out my little watercolor stickers here, and let's go ahead and find one that I think would be really pretty. And I think I've been using a lot of pink so far, so I think that's going to be what I'm looking for. And look at this pretty bird one here. I think I'm going to just stick with this. I'm going to bring up this beautiful bird. And put that right in here. And then I'm just going to cut off. There we go. looking at how pretty this is, and I'm thinking I might like this. And these are nice, big, huge stickers. I got them on Amazon. I can put a link for you. Actually, it's on my YouTube. So if you check out my YouTube, it's by the same name, Beauty and the Stamper. And you'd be able to look there. We're just going to do a lot of cutting, a lot of stickering. This is quick and easy. I've really been getting into doing these ATC cards only because they're nice and quick, and I didn't bring all my stamps. I did bring some stamping kits. If you're interested in seeing those, let me know. A lot of new nice kits. Okay, so there we go. We've got that. I'm going to come back after doing all of that speckling. I covered it right over. So we're going to go back over with this. Because I really like that green coming across there. And I still do have some of that jagged, so that's good. And I'm purposely doing some thick and some thin, so. So there we go. I'm going to put a little bit more fleck down here. See if that. And then I'm going to flip that over, get rid of some of that hardcore. And I might just end up covering that up again because I have another sticker coming. Because I have to have a little girl on there, right? So let's look and see which one of these girls would be best. That one's pretty. This girl, she's in the wrong scene. And these are Happy Planner stickers. They're used for planning, but I enjoy using them. She's kind of too big, so I'm looking for a little one. Be yourself, babe. That one's kind of cute. This one's cute, but she looks more like she's in a city, where this looks more like country. I think that's about what we have. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a pretty one. This is a pretty one as well. Like what she's using, floral. Okay, so far, she might be the winner. That one's pretty too. So many choices. Oh, look at her. I think she might be the winner. Yeah. I think she is. We're going to have her kind of walking through the city here. Oh, let me see. She was too big for those. I'm just going to take this, which has a little bit of that blue still on there, and we're going to put it on here. Why? Because it's going to blend her in a little bit more. Let me see, that might not be the way to go. I might have to go here. Just a little bit of, these are watercolors. Just to get this part to blend in a little more. And I'm just going to go around it. And now this could very well ruin everything I just did. I'm going to get a little bit of water here. There we go. Make it very, very light. And there we go. Oh, yes, this is working just fine. It's just blending it in a little bit more like it was meant to be there. That way it doesn't look like it's so white, other than her dress. You can see a little bit of difference there. And then we're going to just go back in. Oh, there we go. So pretty. And if I could just find some words that I might like to have. I'm looking through some of my stuff that has wording. See if I have any. None there. I know I have one that just has words, but where is it? Is it the one that I had that whole time? No. Okay. And a really quick flip through. There we go. And I think we're gonna design a life you love. Thinking that might be it. No, I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, yes, still design a life you love. But I'm gonna go with this pretty pink. And we're gonna go design. I'm gonna cut pretty close. And then I'm gonna go in between life. So let's say design a life you love. There we go. Let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. All right, beauties, I hope you like this card. I do it just on the fly, so I wanted to show you how easy it is. And you guys, people trade these. You can put the date and your name on here and just trade them with your friends, family, and loved ones, and other crafters who trade these. So again, one of you asked about what an ATC card means, and ATC means artist trading card. So that's what that is. All right, beauties, I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
You like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel.